My name is Brian Kelly. I'm the owner here at Newcastle Service Station. I've worked in the business for over 30 years. It was opened in 1978 by my two parents, and it's been here over nearly 50 years. They started with 2 employees, and we're now up to nearly 35. It's a community store. It's been part of the community for the last 50 years. Over the years, the store and the site have grown with the village. We've added services as the customers need them, like laundry machines, dog washes. We have postal services. We have the post office, car washes, and DRS. And the most recent one was a café. At the start of the scheme, we installed the T70, which is a single feed machine. And then in November 24, we installed an R1. And we quickly outgrew that. And then in June 25, we extended to the solution we have now, which is 2 R1s and an R2. And we actually kept our T70. I did a bit of research and I came across the R1. TOMRA were located in the industrial estate beside us. So I went up and had a look at their solution. It was good, so that's how it all started. We collect approximately 1 million containers per month. A lot of locals use it, and a lot of people working in the industrial estate nearby, they come down at the lunch break and they use it as well. And a lot of charities and sports clubs, they travel, and they really travel from all over the country to use it.
They're brilliant, easy to use, and very easy for us to operate. One day I do remember there was a man and he came with the full van. It took him around like half an hour to recycle all those. When we got the machine, you're like, oh my God, that's amazing. Like something new has come to Ireland, and it's the word of mouth. And then we keep getting a lot of customers around, and they keep telling you, go to Newcastle Service Station.
I think these machines are good. I chose this location to come down and do the bottles because I only live about 10 minutes away, so it's handy. And with all the returns from the machine that we get, we save up the money and buy something. So the last time we bought a new trampoline. So sure, it's important to recycle, just, keeps less rubbish off the streets, I suppose, and just keeps the place a lot cleaner.
They're bleeding brilliant. It is machines. Instead of putting your hand in every time to the bag, I love it. I actually love these machines.
The bulk feed machine has really surprised me, and it's just the volume that goes through it and the amount of people that use it. It's really, really impressive.